Only the ladies.
Girl, it's alright.
Are you still there for me now?
Cause I stare in your eyes, yeah. I can see that you want me.
Are you still there for me now?
By the way that you smile.
Yeah, are you still there for me? Only once in a life.
Alright, so I just noticed this aluminum circuit that's wiring that is like burnt. So I gotta bring that to the homeowner's attention because that's unsafe. See if I can get this thing out of here. Straightforward.
Dressed up in white, face covered in veil. Do I hear wedding bells? My dog's throwing rice, and it's the day that your father give you away to a real man. I gently put the ring in your hand. Do we vow to stay faithful? Do more than try to. Now look me in my eyes and say I do. Driving off in the Rolls Royce, just married on the plate. We can spend our honeymoon in the States. You can throw your friend a bouquet. Something in the back of my head say, why us two? Maybe cause I love you. Hug you, squeeze you, touch you, tease you. As long as we together, it's heaven.